Okay, good morning and welcome to the class 12 in the daily income blueprint tutorial. And this is actually the final class. In this class, we'll be talking about the path forward, being the last class of the 6 weeks, free tutorial that shows you how you can actually, use leverage AI and social media to create a system or launch your own daily income system. So the purpose of this class is to help you, the participant, clearly see what you have gained from the daily income blueprint. Understand why most people fail or why most people stall without structure or make a confident next step decision. Okay, but before we go forward, let's have a recap of the daily framework. The daily framework was designed as a simple, repeatable pathway. It is not just a theory, it is not, it is a practical sequence that moves a person from confusion to clarity, from content to credibility, and from experimentation to income system. So it is not what I am just telling you, but it is something that I have shown you starting from week 1 to week 6, from class 1 to this class, the 12th class. We've shown you what this is all about. So let's walk through each letters in the daily income framework. The D stands for decide, and everything begins with choosing one direction, one group of people you want to help, and one problem you want to be known for solving. The focus is not a limitation. In this aspect, when you are focusing on a particular niche or a particular audience or a particular problem that you want to focus on solving, it does not actually limit you. But focus is a kind of leverage because when people try to serve everyone, they end up attracting nobody because you become too general and too scattered that you get overwhelmed and got nothing. But when you actually focus on one thing and then keep doing it consistently, you get better. You get known for it. You get established as an authority in that niche. And that is how we grow. The A there stands for attract. Attention is earned through value. You can attract people who will actually patronize your do business with you by you offering valuable content consistently, content that speaks to the need of the people. Your content is not just for entertainment, it is for positioning. You know, when you consistently share useful insights, simple frameworks, and relatable examples, the right people begin to trust you. And in this hustle, in this ecosystem, trust is the real currency that leads to people sending you DMs and referring you or referring people to you. And then trust is one thing that opens up opportunities for you in this ecosystem. The idea is integrating AI in your processes. AI is the multiplier here because it reduces the friction of execution. With AI, your research can become faster, your writing becomes easier, and your ideation becomes consistent. And most importantly, learning becomes more structured. However, AI is not a shortcut for competence. It is just an accelerator for a person who has direction and discipline. The L there stands for launching. Confidence comes after action, not before it. Launching simply means making an offer, testing a service, running a mini training, creating a small digital product, or building a simple community. Here, your first launch is a learning lab, and that cannot be the final exam. In this ecosystem, you keep on growing, keep on improving, you keep on getting better. The first one is an opportunity for you to experience what works and what doesn't work, or what can be tweeted, or what can be improved on, you know, and that is the way to go. Then the why, which is the last letter, is yielding for iteration. Your results are for iteration. Market feedback is information. When you launch and then you are not getting the desired result, it is an information. You are gathering data, you are getting insight. Market feedbacks are not rejection. Comments, DMs, and even silent teach you what to clarify, what to simplify, and what to improve on. Daily habits and small adjustments compounds into results. So, having said that, what is possible with deeper structure? We have been offering free classes for the past, 6 weeks. 12, 11 classes has been offered, and this is the 12th. It is all for free. And I'm here asking you, my dear participant, what is possible with deeper structure? In this session, I'll be answering a key question, and that I'll be asking a quick, I'll be, sorry. In this session, we'll be answering a key question, and that question is, if I already have free information, why do I need structure? If you already have free information that I have offered, why do you need structure? Most people do not fail because they lack information. They fail because they lack a system for consistent execution. And this is where structure comes in. Many people start strong, posting for a week, trying a few prompts, watching videos, but they soon stall, they plateau. They become busy, distracted, unsure of what matters, and overwhelmed by too many options. Without structure, you will drift out. There's no two ways about it. This is what structure provides. Structure gives you sequence, and sequence is what to do first and what to do next. Structure also gives you standard, and by standard I mean what good looks like, what you are supposed to be doing, your expected state and standard. Structure also gives you support. Structure helps you to get feedbacks and corrections. And finally, structure gives you speed. When you have structure, you avoid the costly trial and error, because you are leveraging the experience of those who have already achieved what you want to achieve. So, with deeper structure, you can move from random hustle to a repeatable process. You can become known for a clear solution and build confidence through measurable outputs. Sorry, please. Deeper structure helps you turn AI and social media into practicable assets. Okay, so deeper structure helps you to move from random hustle to a repeatable process. You can become known for a clear solution and build confidence through measurable outputs. This deeper structure also helps you turn AI and social media into practical assets. You'll be able to build content systems, you're able to build offers, and you're able to have workflows and solutions that fit your career or business. Here, you will stop guessing and you will start building. So now that I've shown you the importance of deeper structure, not just stopping on free information or just seeking for free information only, it is important that you move to the next step. That is a step that where you be held by the hand and be taken to a structure that will help you to deliver more results, especially in your career or your business. So, having said that, I am introducing you to the School of AI Mastery, the SOM. I'm introducing you to the School of AI Mastery's foundation cohorts. I invite you to the School of AI Mastery SOM Foundation Program Cohort 1 as the next layer for people who want guidance, accountability, and execution support beyond the free series. This is a 6 weeks hybrid mentorship program designed to produce AI capable professionals and solution providers in Nigeria and Anglophone West Africa. So M does not sell tools. It develops applied AI competence. Tools change, but competence stays. The goal is to become the kind of professional who can use AI to solve real problems in a workplace, a business, or a market. School of AI Mastery is funded by myself and my partner to help Nigerian professionals, Nigerian 9 to 5 hours, small business owners, young graduates, NYC core members, and people who desire to actually become AI capable professionals in their career or in business. And that's why I'm inviting you to the foundation program. And this is the first cohort. All right. At the end of the 6 weeks SOM Foundation program, you will build and demonstrate a functional AI powered solution relevant to a career or a business. This is important because you should know you are not just learning concepts, but you are building something tangible. The AI powered solutions we will offer you in SOM Foundation program cohorts include building a workflow, a system, a service process, building a content engine, building a customer support automation, a research assistant process, or a lightweight prototype, something that proves competence and produces a value. So, who is this for? This program is for the Nigerian 9 to 5 hours who want structured competence and a reliable pathway to additional income or career advantage. It is for small business owners who want practical AI skills to improve marketing, operations, and customer experience. It is for NYSC members and young graduates who want employable modern skills and proof of ability. Most importantly, it is for action takers, people ready to show up weekly, practice, build, and improve. It is not for get rich quick seekers, people who want shortcuts without practice, or those who only want to watch videos without building. It is not for people who are unwilling to follow a structured roadmap or receive feedback. The program is mentorship and execution. We are not entertainers. We are holding you by the hand and show you how to become an AI competent and capable professional. So, are you looking for more information? Or are you ready for transformation through guided execution? If this is you, here is the next step. I'm honoring you for your effort through the free series. If you have followed through, I am confident that you now have clarity, practical foundations, first attempts at income, and a working framework. As we move to the next level, you can continue alone and experiment slowly, or you can step into a structured mentorship environment that compresses time and increases accuracy. So I invite you to enroll into the SOM Foundation Program cohort. In SOM, we are not selling tools. I'm saying it again. We are developing applied AI competence and demonstrable solutions. We are actually building AI capable professionals in career and in business, and that you can actually become. So, as I'm closing, here is your assignment. Draft one AI powered solution you want to build in the next 6 weeks. Something that will be relevant to your career or your business. And after drafting it, be ready to submit these assignments as part of your onboarding in the SOM Foundation Program Cohort 1. So, the registration will be opening up shortly. So, I encourage you to stay plugged in and stay put as you will be introducing the registration to you. Thank you for the 6 weeks of free daily income blueprint tutorial, and see you inside the SOM Foundation Program Cohort 1.